Hello, friends. Today, we're uncovering the sweet secret behind one of your favorite ingredients, condensed milk. From farm fresh milk to its final creamy form in a perfectly sealed can, we'll take you through every fascinating step. So, grab a seat and let's dive into the journey of how condensed milk is made.
Every morning, as the sun rises, we begin the journey of our condensed milk, tracing its path from the farm to this factory.
Fresh milk begins right here, in the quiet balance of nature and care.
As you can see, hygiene and meticulous preparation are absolutely essential before we begin the milking process.
We ensure the absolute purity of our milk. It flows smoothly through these sterile pipes, guaranteeing freshness in every drop.
To preserve quality, we initiate immediate chilling. The precise temperature control you see here is essential for locking in freshness.
The tanker's arrival marks the beginning of the process. We carefully monitor the raw milk intake before it is transferred to the holding silos.
Controlled heating begins here, where precision replaces raw energy. Moisture removal begins here, without aggressive boiling. This is the final stage, where the product meets the world. Packaging transition initiated. Maintain current velocity.
Hours ago, this was ordinary milk straight from the cow. Now it's so thick, a spoon can stand upside down in it.